Williston, North Dakota could have as much as a foot of snow by the time the days-long winter storm passes through the state. Plows rolled out at 4 a.m. to clear local emergency routes and highways. Meteorologists are predicting snow bands to move through the area into the evening. This is just a glimpse at the bigger storm impacting many states headed toward us.
It's going to look similar when it gets here.
Yeah, we're keeping an eye on this.
I love when we talk about other people's weather like that too. Like meteorologists are predicting, what do they know? They're a bunch of hacks, you know? So this storm is, I was joking last night, I don't think you were here, but I was joking at 6, like, we knew about this storm for over a week.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then I said, we probably won't get any credit for that though.
You were also taking some hits online
What
on
else
social
is new?
media
Yeah.
of like, no, it's way too early to look at this storm. Are you doing this yet?
I do this all the time. All I'm gonna say is when everybody else's map came out this morning, it looked a lot similar. So if we're wrong, we're all wrong together, which is a great place to be at. And the scariest thing as a meteorologist is being out by yourself, just dangling out there. Taking a lot of hate. I'm glad you were specific because I was like, yes. Taking a lot of hits online for what today?
Yes.
So look at the band of snow that is just trying to move into Bangor. It's a little bit too warm, but it might get cold enough that some of these snow squalls get into the Bangor area. I wanted to show you that. That'll move west here through the early evening and things settle down. Tonight's actually a pretty quiet night. Temperatures freezing to just a little bit above, not a frigid night at all. And tomorrow really is that day where we just kind of wait for this storm. There's a lot of clouds around. Temperatures push into the upper 30s to around 40 degrees, but not a lot happens until the late afternoon when a couple of rain and snow showers start working away in. This is ocean effect stuff, which is pretty typical ahead of a larger storm. Then we get ocean effect over York and Cumberland County. And so the timing of this is such that I think when a lot of us wake up on Friday, there's not a whole lot going on. The exception is right along the coast where we've got some ocean effect snow kicking in. The real snow, though, southwest and northeast here, middle of the day, it's only gotten up to about Augusta. So if you're hoping for a day off of school in Bangor, for example, I don't love your chances because it's going to take a while to get this snow in here. Now the key is that rain-snow line. 33 in Wiscasset, 35 Portland. Remember, it can snow to 38, 39 if everything else is just right. But it looks like we do start as rain in a lot of spots, and then we crunch this rain-snow line south through Friday evening. Some heavier bands set up just away from the coastline, starts hammering away there through Saturday morning. It's snowing through the middle of the day Saturday, and then it lightens up pretty quickly after that as the storm stacks on out of here. So the change from yesterday, the original map, is that this 1 to 3 started here yesterday, and we brought it down into Portland. And I think the bullseye area is often out towards Sebago, so we included them in some higher totals as well. 10 to 14 still into the mountains. The rest of this looks good. Just to give you an idea of the fun we get to have as meteorologists, GFS American model has 10 inches of snow in Portland. The European model has 3, I think, 2, 3. So this is why it's always a bunch of fun for us. But I think that it makes sense to keep the coast where it's at for now. Stay tuned there. Otherwise, inland, this has looked the same the whole time, which is plowable. I don't really love that term, but it's appropriate in this scenario. And there will be some foot totals out there for sure. And one last thing, the closer you get to the coast, the more pasty this snow is likely to be. I don't think it's powder many places, but it's real pasty along the coast.
Okay, gross.
Wet,
good to know.
heavy.
Yeah, we don't love
Pretty
the pasty.
though, pretty.
But
But if there's too much of it, you have problems.
as far
with
as
that.
driving,
Yeah.
no fun. Okay,
Yep.
thanks, Keith.